Problems accumulate over time. It doesn't happen overnight, but you can always take preventive measures. This program can help even someone who has already ruined themselves or who is already on the other side. So it has the power to like reverse it. So definitely, why would you not give it a try? You are trying so many medicines and you're trying so many things, so many different doctors and different sort of treatments. Probably give it a shot as well. So I'm Shruti Chauhan and I'm from Gurgaon, India. I have been so around November to 2024, I was having these breathing issues. It was partially also because of the atmosphere and the quality of air in Delhi. But then must be some internal issues as well. It was worse than rest of the population, and I was definitely benefited from it. The quality of sleep increased a lot. In general, my breathing improved a lot, and I've been able to observe my breathing way more consciously and being able to appreciate it. For a person, if they have a stuffy nose, they suddenly realize what a blessing it was when it was not so. I'm suddenly being able to realize how grateful I am for the fact that I'm able to breathe and breathe normally. So that whole gratitude thing happened. And what Yogesh told me was it's a lifestyle intelligence program. It's not focused on your diet or anything. It is like overall experience. And I think he was in the first or second week of it, and he just said that try it. I'm trying. She's giving very small exercise. It's not so tough. You just have to continue your diet as it is. Just it's a WhatsApp group. Just join it. And I joined. About my skin. I think I never had like pimples or any acne problem, but lips are not chapped so much how it usually used to be in winters. This winter was very different for me in terms of especially lips chapping and also my heels, the foot heel. Like I've never put so much nutrients in me. And we have always been told that take nutrition, take nutritious diet. The idea of a nutritious meal would be lot of paneer, chole, or uh, anything which is not so spicy and have little bit of vegetables. Even sometimes having Maggie with carrot and peas would feel like, oh, I'm having a nutritious meal because it has peas and carrot in it. So yeah, that those things have changed a lot. I don't think I would consider those vegetables anymore. The and definition of right and wrong itself has improved a lot. It's very interesting to being able to observe, appreciate, and understand things and how things have evolved or how we are built certain way, how things actually cascade or we can stop it or we can accelerate things. So just understanding these fundamental groomed me a lot as a person, I think. For people around me, I can say it will definitely help in your weight loss journey. I have been able to lose almost 8 kgs. But otherwise, if you're into awareness and if you want to know the logic behind things, if you want to understand how your body functions, it's a big whatever direction you want to steer in. To have that steering in your hand, I would recommend this program to you. Best part was the community of having a bunch of people who are practicing the same thing, who are in the same boat. Having that group of people really, really helps. Otherwise, if you're alone in that journey, I think it becomes really difficult. I personally would have tried something very similar multiple times or with my family, but not everybody would have the same level of commitment and everybody is in different journey. Same is here, but yet it was a place where you kind of circle back to and discuss big time motivation. You get to discover so many new recipes, how to work around with ingredients, what to do, what not to do. People answer each other. That's a big thing which everybody should experience it. Why not? Like that is not all we are meant to, for just to like taste things. I think that's a very shallow way of looking at life, and there are so many people who love you, who function because of you, who want to be there for you. You are there for them. So for their sake, at least take care of yourself and give it a try and understand how you are functioning and how to internally reflect things. We constantly observe so many things around, and we constantly make conclusions around it. We should do that to our body as well. I'm genuinely thankful. There's a lot of gratitude. I don't say it much. Tools you have suggested us or introduced us to, breathing or simply fixing our eating habits, be mindful about while eating as well and reflecting on it. So these very simple basic steps has left a very big impact on me. Everywhere people do things in extreme, and then there are systems to make money from those extremes. So is for gym membership or people. I think people who train very hard, they do not actually have to compete in any sort of uh marathon, or they're not Olympic players, yet people train themselves very hard for 1 2 3 hours. And this has been so simple, where you just have to walk, and leisure walk is something everybody should anyway be doing. So these have been very interesting simple tools, and if you see, it's been amalgamation, and people spend so many things, so much on diets, and all these companies making money out of diet food and supplements and those sort of things. I think this has replaced all of it in a very wonderful way.